Once a king was in great danger with an eye problem. So the king goes to many places but can't heal his eyes in any way. Later that king found a hermit living in the forest of his kingdom. That monk can fix everything. Then the king went to that monk, and told the monk to fix my eye problem. Monk saw and said, "King, I understand your problem. You do one thing from now on, just keep your eyes on the red thing. Just see the red color, then you will see everything is fine." The king said, Okay. The king went back to the kingdom and painted his palace and everything red. After a few days, the king's eyes started to improve. Then the king was happy and said to his soldiers, "Go and bring that monk, I want to reward him." Then, when the monk came, the soldiers filled buckets and drenched him with red dye. Then the monk went to the king. The king asked him, "How are you?" Then the monk said, "You can see it," he said in an angry voice. "King, why did you ask me to dye it with such red color?" Then the king said, "Why you told me to see red color? If I don't give the color, I will have problems with my eyes if I see you later." Then the monk said, "King, you could have worn a pair of red glasses." Then the king said, "Oh really?" The king was ashamed. Then the monk said, "You see, king, when we are in trouble, we want to change everything around us. But we do not notice that the solution to the problem lies within us. We don't have to go to any big country to change ourselves. We can change ourselves from our own country. If I change, our family will change, our society will change, and if society changes, our country will change."